Installing your smart recess downlight retrofit. Upgrade recess lighting with the easy-to-install Simply Conserve Smart Recess Downlight Retrofit to improve aesthetics, save energy, and lower utility bills. Before getting started, make sure the power to the light you're replacing is turned off. Allow the existing bulb or fixture to cool before handling. Remove your new smart downlight from the packaging. Twist the included E26 adapter into the existing light socket until snug. Plug the female connector of the Retrofit kit onto the male connector of the Quick Connect adapter. Squeeze the torsion springs on either side of the Retrofit kit together and insert onto the torsion spring slots or receiver brackets of the recessed can. While doing so, ensure all wires are tucked inside the can and firmly press the Retrofit fixture into place within the can. Now let's connect your smart downlight to the Simply Conserve app. Download the app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Follow instructions to register a new account. Turn on the downlight. It should start blinking. If it does not blink, turn it off and on 3 times to set it into pairing mode. Turn on your phone or tablet's Bluetooth connection. In the Simply Conserve app, tap Add Device, located under the green plus sign in the upper right corner of the screen. The Smart Recess Downlight should automatically appear in the app under Discovering Devices. Tap Add, next enter local Wi-Fi credentials, SSID and password, then tap Next. After several seconds, the Smart Recess Downlight will be added. You may choose to edit the name and room location by tapping the pencil icon, or you may accept the default listings and tap Done. You will then enter the device control panel on the app. From there, you can configure your Smart Recess Downlight by choosing a light color, adjust its brightness, run a scene, or sync to music. Once connected, you may rename your new Smart Downlight, adjust the brightness and color, schedule lighting based on daily routines, and even control it using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. We offer a variety of lighting products to meet your unique needs. To choose the products that are right for you, visit us at amconservation.com.